Hey, it's the MC guy that didn't let me ask my question.
Things at once as well. We're doing interviews and signing and
That's what it was.
I guess.
That criticism that you're a brand